What's up, heroes? It's me and Ariane. Today we're going to be celebrating because we, yes us, got um 50 subscribers. We got 50 subscribers in heroes. Can't you believe that? You can just see how exciting my avatar is. It's so exciting. Look, it's just going everywhere. See? But I can't believe we hit 50 subscribers. That's really cool. Now I want to tell you guys something. If we get 100 subscribers, we'll do a face reveal on cheese. Maybe I have to ask him first. But I think I should maybe he would do a face reveal. I don't know. So cheese, you guys know cheese helped me build that Adopt Me video, right? You guys know him. You guys definitely watched that, right? Right? Look at you. Anyways, if you guys didn't watch it, you guys should literally watch it. Maybe I'll put it in the description. Who knows? Look at this. Look at this. You know why I'm so strong in this game? Because I have this Kalos Titan. Kalos Titan. It's so strong, and I got so much money because of it. And I got it for just trading like a little pet. I don't know if he was trying to. I don't know if he accidentally clicked it or not because the person who traded me this, I'm shout out to you. I have to probably to chef who gave it to me. Wait, we can't. Only Soul Master pets can be. Oh, okay. How do I'm very confused. Leaderboard tab. Okay, there. Kalos Titan is so awesome. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna try to. Wow. Longest player alive. Whoa. I gotta try to survive. Maybe. Okay, I'll become invisible. I'm playing ninjas. Wait, what is this game called again? Shadow Storm Ninja Legends. Oh yeah. So I've been playing this awesome game, and so yeah. Wait, what the fuck's? My friend Cheese, he really likes this game, and I really gotta say, it's really what he says about it. It's cool. It's Ninjago, and I really like it. So maybe if we hit 100 subscribers, we will do a face reveal of cheese. I probably need to ask him before I conclude to this, but I don't know. I hope he's okay with this, because I don't know. I mean, I thought he was gonna agree to it, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. Who knows? Maybe something will happen. I don't know. I mean, jump. Whoa, no. Oh, come on. No. Wait. Okay. The pencil fell down. I don't know. But wait, what's that? Wait, what's that island? No one told me about that island. Wait. No, I can't go there. Wait, guys, can you comment down below if you guys are expert of Ninja Legends, and can you guys tell me what is this? I mean, I'm just a new player, probably. I don't know. I've been playing this for a long time. I guess I don't know. I mean, I don't know. No. Oh, come on. I've been trying to get to the next island, even though it's so simple. Somehow, I can't. I mean, Cheese says it's so simple, but bro, I'm not like a pro gamer or something. That would be oh my god, oh. Just move it. Yes! Okay, I did. You guys are probably wondering why I'm so bad and incredibly bad at this game. Well, because I'm dumb and I'm bad. I'm super bad. Oh my god! Yay! Jump! Jump! Wah! Oh man. Please don't. Okay, I thought I was gonna fall down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. Go there. No, no, no! Why? Why? I'm master of shadows right now. Oh no, no! Why? 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 It took me forever to go on that island, but then I changed and then it came master of shadows. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yes, I did it. Yay! I just need a little bit more chi. Part of the yin and yang. I don't know why I think that is a joke. Whoa! Please, please, yes. Oh, and I got money at the same time. Okay, maybe somehow. Wait, let me get out. So maybe let me just. So you can jump on clouds. I haven't played this game in a long time, but somehow I wonder where's the island though. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. I thought I was gonna fall down, so I was like backing up. It's actually a bad idea. Whoa! You actually can. I can somehow reach that if I could. Can I reach it? Maybe! Maybe! Yes, I did. Okay, okay, I can actually. Wait. So sorry, guys, if I am like that. Enjoying the game, make sure to like and favorite. I don't know how to like. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, no, 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 no. Oh, wait, what? That was going to be like. Wait, you can kill people? I know you can kill people, I'm just saying. Oh, wait, what? I was going to like just do stuff, just do stuff. Limited time, limited time. Swift, funny, master legend. Just eat this. Try one. Yeah, okay, okay. I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna trade stuff. I just want to trade some stuff. Wait, eat game. I never heard of that YouTuber. Okay, it's gonna do this because. Oh, okay. I'm this guy. Oh, okay, already has it. Snow. Trade. I'm just trading a bunch of people I don't care about. Yeah. Oh, okay. Do you have this and this and this? I'm just kidding. I don't care whatever their offer is. At least it's not something. Oh, seriously? I already have this. Just $10. Exchange. Oh, even more. Put this there. Put that there. Put that there. Okay then. He's like, oh, okay. So, yes. I just don't like these. Okay. What? What do you want? A tan dog? I'm just gonna do that. I just declined it. That's actually when I heal. No, 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 not eat. Eat that for me. I want to spend it mindlessly. Right. Who's ever heard of a Master of Shadows not completing the first one? Wait. Wait. Ta-da! Oh, yes. Okay, got it. Guys, oh my god. So maybe if guys, this is actually celebrating because I'm actually supposed to be celebrating because you know it's like we got 50 subscribers. Obviously, everyone knows that. I think. Whoa! 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 Is that cheese? Wait, is that cheese? Is that cheese? I don't know. I mean, like, he doesn't play this game anymore, so maybe. I mean, like, could be a possibility. It could still be a possibility, you know. Just things that can happen, you know, to people. God, right. Go, jump. Whoa! Okay, right. I got it. Right. Just my nose is itchy. Yeah. God, maybe it'll work. Oh my God! I'm gulping. Is there something? Wait. Did I already? Wait, it's over there? Oh. How am I gonna do this? This is gonna be hard. Oh, okay. How am I supposed to do this? So like, do. Like, how am I supposed to do this? I don't know how to. My pet. No, I can't reach it. That one. I can't reach that one. So maybe I can reach. No. Okay, guys, support me if you guys wait. Why is my body like this? Wait, why is it purple? Oh yeah, blue. I mean, blue plus red equals purple. I get it, guys, but like, I can't reach it. Just how am I supposed to do it? I mean, I wish there was checkpoints in this game. I mean, like, I wish there was like, yeah. Oh God. Oh my God. I mean, like, sorry if you guys can't say God, but like, no. So like, oh, it's right there. It's praise God. I mean, like, bro, if I can reach it, then, bro, I can see it. But I can't take the risk. I just gotta see first. So maybe I can reach it, but I can't jump that far. It's the only problem. How am I going to do this? Maybe I'll do this in the next video, but I can't just forget. We need 1 more minute till this video closes. So we have to take the risk, guys. Guys, subscribe if you want me to do this. Guys, we're doing it. Go. Someone's there, but how am I gonna do this? Ah! Someone's there. Wait. How am I going to go? I can reach it, but can I just... I can't. It's impossible. It's impossible. How about there? Okay. I can reach the cloud. Be able to reach there. It'll just be a little